Silent treatment in your cup, baby, we don't need to talk. Sorry if I'm making this hard, now I'm just wondering where we are. I don't wanna face the consequences, but baby, yeah, you know I hate second guessing. I'm just wondering where we are. Drifting into space, keep driving on the freeway. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Overthinking out there in the clouds, drifting on and there for hours. Lately I've been trying to figure out, wonder if you're ever coming down, ever coming down. Look at me the way you do, keep giving myself into you. You know that I hate this part, surprised we ever got this far. We did go through all the circumstances, but baby, yeah, you know I hate second chances. Surprised we ever got this far. Drifting into space, keep driving on the freeway. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Overthinking out there in the clouds, drifting on and there for hours. Lately I've been trying to figure out, wonder if you're ever coming down, ever coming down.
Hello and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the vlog. I'm gonna vlog this weekend. I'm going home to my hometown. It's about 2 hours away. I'm gonna drive there today and I have like 3 different events for like small businesses that I'm going to this weekend. So I thought it'd be fun to like vlog it and, you know, take you with me and stuff and go to some cute little events. Tonight, one of my friends I used to work with is a makeup artist and she has like a little studio and she's gonna have just like a Pink Friday event. From what I understand, Pink Friday is like before Black Friday, like shopping small first before all the big sales for like big corporations and stuff. So she's having like a little event I wanted to go to. I think I'm gonna, hopefully my mom's gonna come with me and we're gonna go for a little bit. Tomorrow, one of the stores that my small business Ladielauv is in is having like an open house. Inside her store is my sister's like clothing boutique, so it's kind of like 2 businesses in one there. So they're both kind of like hosting this open house together. So I wanted to go be supportive there, and also like I said, my small business is there, so I wanted to just like be present and stuff. And then on Sunday, my sister who owns the boutique also owns like a hair accessory company as well, and she has a market on Sunday. So I thought I would just go there too, see her, see the other booths there. I'm pretty sure it's just like a holiday market. But yeah, so lots happening this weekend in my like hometown area. So I kind of wanted to be home for it and then vlog it too. So I'm just packing up right now. I have my luggage here. So I'm all ready to go, besides just packing some things up. And then I'm gonna head out.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling just a better kind of bitter, bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in fears, it's like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. And maybe just a better kind of bitter, 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 bitter. Think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Ooh, think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Ooh, think about the stuff we play.
I'm on the road. It's really cold out. I'm not wearing a jacket because I knew I was obviously going to be sitting and driving, but I had to like fill my tires up a little bit because the light keeps like coming on, which it comes on every single time it starts getting cold out in the winter. So I feel like they probably don't need to be filled up, but my sensor's really like sensitive and it's annoying every time I turn my car on that it goes on. So I just filled them up just a little bit and now the sensor's off, so that's good. But I was out there filling them up and it was freezing and windy. It's 23 degrees, snowing a little bit, like flurrying, and super windy, so not fun. But I'm filled up, my tank's filled up, and we're on our way. So about 2 hours and I'll be there. It's Saturday now. I'm just getting myself ready. I was just chilling with my dad all morning. I'm gonna go help my sister a little bit because she has an open house tonight. So she needs some help like making some like gift boxes and stuff. So I'm just getting ready to go over to her house. But yesterday I went to my friend's little makeup studio that she works out of to do like bridal makeup, and she does makeup for like photography too, like senior pictures and anything like that, family pictures. But her studio was so cute. I didn't get really any like footage or anything because she had quite a few people there when I got there. And it's a pretty small like space, like it's a really small studio, but it's super cute. She made it really cute, painted the whole thing. It has like exposed brick. She has a cute little like pink velvet couch. So it's just like nice to see her and nice to go and like show my support for her and what she's doing. Otherwise, I've just been at my parents' and catching up. I'll definitely leave my friends like Instagram and website and everything in the description box below if you're like local and are looking for a makeup artist. My sister just texted me saying I can come over whenever, so I'm just gonna finish getting ready and go help her for a little bit, and then we're gonna go to her open house, hang out, Hopefully some people buy my rings that are at the store. I'll check in a little later. Back at my parents' house after the open house. It went really well. It was super busy, so it was awesome turnout. I think I got some footage of like my sister's little boutique inside of the store, and then what my little display looks like inside of the store as well. Really good nummy little snacks and a mimosa bar and stuff like that. So yeah. Just about to get my pajamas on. I wore this really cute sweater from Everlane, super high quality, super cute. And then I wore this red lip. It's like worn off now, but it's from Glossier. It's the hydrating lipstick, and I never know how to pronounce this. F-E-T-E. But it's like bright red, and there's something about red lipstick and like a black shirt. I think it's so pretty. And I definitely felt like Christmassy with my red lips, but perfect bright red. So just have my sister's market to go to tomorrow, and then I'll be on my way home again. So I'll check in tomorrow. Car on the highway, but I'm finally on my way home now. Stopped at my sister's market, and once it was done, we helped her clean up a little bit. It was nice to be like in my hometown again, even though I'm going back in 4 days for Thanksgiving. So I moved like a year and a half ago, and so I don't think I've like driven through the actual streets of where I used to live in a really long time. Being that her like market was there, I actually, you know, like had to drive through the streets. Usually I just like pass by like to my parents and my hometown, but actually driving through the streets, it's crazy how much has actually like changed. And it's actually really cool. Like they've gotten a bunch of different like, I don't know, things, stores, restaurants, whatever. Upgraded some like roads and stuff. I don't know, it's super cute. You definitely like learn to appreciate like where you came from when you move away. I feel like I never appreciated it until I moved away. So yeah, it's fun to be there. It was a full weekend of small businesses, so it was really fun. I'm happy to get home to